So there was a bit of an incident last time out at Brands Hatch, but I've fibreglassed it all up from the inside, and then when we remove the bandages, hopefully it'll all stay in place, and then I can filler it from the outside and it will all be, well, it's holding together okay anyway. Aha. Quite pleased with that. Broke on the side as well, but I don't really want to paint this bit, so I'm going to try and just sympathetically fill that. So that's how that is. Let's look inside. That's how it all is there. So there we are, all back in shape again.